Some animals look cute and cuddly, so others look like they just crawled out of a nightmare, but looks can be deceiving. Often, the most dangerous creatures aren't the biggest or the scariest, they're the smartest. Welcome to a special episode where we explore the animals that have truly mastered the art of survival in the most extreme ways imaginable. Everything you're about to hear is real, so buckle up. Make sure you stay until the very end, because our final story is one you won't forget. Let's dive in. Imagine a fish that can kill you without ever laying a fin on you. Meet the stonefish. Looking exactor of disguise, looking exactly like a piece of rock or coral on the ocean floor. It just sits there waiting. But along its back are 13 sharp spines, each loaded with one of the most potent venoms in the entire sea. Unsuspecting swimmers or divers often step on it by accident, and the result can be agonizing, even fatal. It's a deadly trap hidden in plain sight. Now, let's talk about using fear as a weapon. The frilled lizard from Australia is a genius at this. When threatened, it doesn't just run. Instead, it unfurls a massive, colorful frill around its neck, opens its mouth wide, and hisses. Suddenly, this small lizard looks 3 times its size, a terrifying monster. Most predators are so shocked by this sudden transformation that they hesitate for just a second, and that 1 second is all the lizard needs to make its escape. It's pure psychological warfare. What if you could just turn off your body to survive? That's what hibernating bears do. They find a cozy den and basically shut down for the winter. Their heart rate drops to just a few beats per minute, and they can go for months without eating, drinking, or even going to the bathroom. Here's the truly amazing part. Their muscles don't waste away like ours would. Scientists are studying this incredible ability, hoping it could one day help long-term hospital patients or even astronauts on deep space missions. Think about this. There are tiny, beautiful frogs with enough poison on their skin to kill 10 adult humans. These are the poisoned dart frogs of the Amazon. They don't need to bite or sting. Their entire body is a weapon. Their vibrant, jewel-like colors aren't for show. They're a bold warning sign that says, "Don't touch me." Indigenous tribes have historically used the frog's potent toxin to coat the tips of their hunting darts, which is how they got their name. Some animals have perfected the art of playing dead. The opossum is the undisputed champion. When cornered by a predator, it doesn't fight back. It goes limp, its body stiffens, and it even releases a foul-smelling liquid that makes it smell like it's been rotting for days. Most predators are picky eaters and won't touch a decaying corpse. So, they lose interest and walk away. A few moments later, the opossum miraculously resurrects and casually strolls off. It's a brilliant strategy of doing absolutely nothing. Now, from faking death to surviving fire, in the aftermath of a forest fire, when everything is charred and black, certain species of fire beetles thrive. They are equipped with special infrared sensors that can detect the heat of a blaze from kilometers away. While other animals flee, these beetles fly directly towards the fire. Why? Because the smoldering trees are the perfect predator-free place for them to lay their eggs. For them, destruction paves the way for new life. Survival isn't always a solo act. Wolves are masters of teamwork. When they hunt, it's like watching a silent, perfectly choreographed ballet. Use subtle glances, ear twitches, and shifts in body posture to communicate. Without a single bark or howl, they coordinate to surround their prey. There's no single leader shouting orders. Every member of the pack instinctively knows their role. It's a stunning display of collective intelligence. In the pitch-black darkness of the deep ocean or a moonless night, some creatures create their own light. This is called bioluminescence, and it's used in some truly clever ways. A deep-sea anglerfish dangles a glowing lure to attract unsuspecting fish right to its mouth. Some jellyfish flash bright lights to startle predators, and certain types of fireflies use specific blinking patterns to find a mate. It's a secret language written in light, a biological flashlight in a world of darkness. What if you could regrow a lost limb? For some animals, this isn't science fiction. If a starfish loses an arm to a predator, it doesn't just grow a new one. The severed arm can sometimes grow into a whole new starfish. But the axolotl, a type of salamander, takes it to a whole other level. Yeah. It can regenerate not just limbs, but also damaged parts of its heart, its spinal cord, and even its brain. Scientists are fascinated by this superpower, hoping to one day unlock similar healing in humans. And that brings us to our final, most profound act of survival: ultimate sacrifice. In the world of social insects like ants and bees, the colony is everything. Individual survival means nothing compared to the survival of the group. A single honeybee will sting an intruder to defend its hive, even though the act of stinging is fatal to the bee itself. It's one life given willingly to protect thousands. It's a powerful reminder that survival can be about the many, not just the one. The animal kingdom isn't just a place of instinct. It's a world of incredible intelligence, brutal efficiency, and perfect balance. Nature's solutions to the problem of survival are more amazing than anything we could invent. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, please hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing stories, and let me know in the comments which animal survival skill blew your mind the most. We've got another incredible episode coming your way very soon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.